Díomh agus fáilte go grammar beag, bite-sized Irish grammar videos for primary school pupils.
So, an adjective hailvach is the possessive adjective and it denotes ownership of an object. Now, while it is an adjective, it doesn't follow the rule that we learned previously. It always goes in front of the object. So mo is my, do is your, a is his, a is also her, our is our, ver is year or your plural, and a is also there. So the adjective helvach causes the word to change. So today we're looking at consonants. This also helps differentiate between a, which means his, her, and their as well. Mu means my, and mu puts in a shevu, so a H after the first consonants. Mu vuntor, my teacher. Mu chotha, my coat. Mu scoob, my brush. And just remember, words beginning with or, n, l, sc, sm don't take a shevu. Du means yours, and du you also put in a shevu. Dovrisky, your biscuits. Dolores, your door. Dolihrod, remember, or n, l, sc, sm doesn't take a shevu. Now, when a means his, we put in a shevu. So, a anya, his ring. A hyok, his house. A fingin, his penny. A roher, his bike. Remember, or n, l, sc, sm don't take a shevu. Interestingly, a when it means her doesn't change anything. So afania, her ring. A chak, her house. A pingin, her penny. So it's very important to have a look at if you see a shevu after a, you know it's his. If you see no shevu after a, it means it's her. So just recap our urus. M before B, G before C, N before D, D before T, N before G, B before P, and BF before F. My brother got caught not doing dishes tonight. Nobody gets blueberry pie before he finishes. You are going to need your uru for the next adjunct helvach. You're going to need them for the next possessive adjective. Or means our, and or puts in an uru. Or gota, our coat. Or bata, our pet. Or muntor. Remember, not all words take an uru. Ver means year or your plural, and ver puts in an uru. Ver mrisky, your biscuits. Ver nuris, your door. Ver vinyog, your window. So as we've already established, a means there, alongside his and her. And when a means there, we put in an uru. So a diok, their house. A nyata, their gate. A gor, their car. So remember, a with a shevu is his, a with no shevu is her, and a with an uru is there. But you've got to be careful because remember, some words don't take a shevu and some words don't take an uru. So you need to really look at the context to help you. So just to recap, if you are putting in the possessive adjective before a word beginning with a consonant, when you have mo, my, do, your, and a, his, you put in a shevu. Mo chota, do chota, a chota. When you have a, as in her, you don't do anything, so a kota. And when you have or, our, ver, year, or your plural, or a, there, you put in an uru. So our gota, our coat. Ver gota, year coat. A gota, their coat.
Agus sin é.